Hello, my name's Roger, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Vox V5 Pro reversing camera mirror dash cam to a Mercedes Sprinter. Now, the bracket that came with the kit is this one. Now this goes into the mirror, but this has got the standard slide on bracket. And I'll show you what's on the Sprinter. This is a 2019 Sprinter. I've taken the cover off and we have this, which they call a nut fixing, which the bracket here does not fix to. So I have done some research and found a company called RevCam UK, which is Reversing Cameras UK, and they sent me this. So we've got this nice little bracket here, and it just fits over the nut, and then in here there's a little Allen key that just tightens it up. So I'm going to fit that now and see what happens. Okay, and then this just goes on top of there, and there's an Allen key that just screws up underneath to fix that. And the Allen key is a little bit fiddly. There's just one grub screw. Starting to hold it. Oh. Okay, so that adapter now, the Allen key goes into a grub screw under here. That is now fixed solid, and then this standard bracket goes on there, and I do need to turn this around, but that is brilliant. Okay, so now the bracket's up there. This can now just slide on. Whoops. Get it right. There it goes. That's slid on there. And that is now fixed in place. Now the only question I have now is this dash cam is now shooting into this black, so I need to power it up and see how wide this is. I'm hoping it's going to shoot down and see, but for now we've got the mirror fitted, so I hope that helps somebody, and I'll drop the link to the bracket in the description.